Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to cover another easy topic inside Go High Level, and that is email template creation. So what actually it means that we usually need to send an emails to the leads or the customer because this is a professional way and everyone needs this. But what if you create a professional email and then send it to your customers? Yes, for that professionality, we are heading towards email templates where we are going to design, customize, and adding the theme of our own company inside the emails, and then we will get them sent to our leads and customers. So let's move towards GHL skin and let me show you that how you can design these email templates and then you can send them to the customer. And one of the most important thing here is that once you create your email template, then you don't need to recreate this email for each customer. Okay, you just need to, you can say, select the template and send to the customers you want. So you can send single template to the multiple customers for multiple time or at the same time. So let's head towards GHL. Okay guys, so finally we are inside Go High Level, and for email templates, first of all we will move towards marketing, and inside marketing you have to move inside emails, and here you can see there's an option name as templates. You will simply click on it, and here you can see multiple templates. So let me show you one of the already built-in templates so that you got an idea at how actually they look like. Okay, so here you can see that this is something different than a simple email, because you can see that you have a header, then there's an image or representing your idea, then content, buttons, and then footer. So this is actually an email template, and you will send these types of emails to your customers because it has its own impression. So for that we are going to create a new template from scratch, and I will let you know that how you can create them. So first of all you will select design editor, and here inside it we are going to create a template. So first of all what you need is header. So for that I am going to delete already present things from here, and here you will scroll down and you will see there are some layouts or sections. Okay, so here I am going to select this and we'll drop it right here, and it will show me some options from here. So the header must contains the company name and its logo. So for that I'm going to select this option. So it will give me the left portion for the logo and the right portion for headings. And with that I am also going to change the backend color because simple looks doesn't much good. So background, inside background settings I will choose color, and I will choose this color for now. And after that I am again going to add elements, and here now I will drop the logo content here, and then the this content here, the written content. So for written content I will again click on plus sign and text. Okay, so I need to change the logo. So for that I will simply click on it and then click on this pen button and upload media from library. So first of all you need to import the logo here inside this library. For that you will click on this upload button, and first of all you will import this logo, and then I will select this logo from here by simply clicking on it and click on insert media. So you can see that my logo has been appeared here, but it may look not good for now, but you can change its width and height like from here. So let me change the width to 70. Okay, so I think now it's good. Okay, and now let's come towards headings, and I am naming it as Sun consultation center, and below I will simply write right to rise. This is, I think, the mission statement for any company, and I will simply highlight it, change it, and then I will select all and make its alignments at center. So I think that you guys may notice that now it looks somehow different than a simple email. Other than that, I will move downward, and here I will add text. So the text contains the remaining email body, and for that I am going to GPT and copying the text from here like this. Okay, so here I will simply copy it and paste it here like this. Okay, so I think that now things are looking good, and here I'm going to add another button so that if somebody wants to book an appointment, they should simply by clicking on the button. I will here click on it, and then we need to search for button. Okay, divider, yeah, here. Simply paste it here, and I also have to paste the link URL here. So this URL should be the appointment booking URL, mean that shows the calendar. So for that we need to go back here, and we will move inside the calendars, and from here we will select the link of that calendar. Calendars, and then calendar settings. Or you may also attach the booking funnel as well, appointment booking funnel as well, because most of the people uses funnels for their booking, so you can attach that as well. But for now I am attaching the direct calendar here. Copy the permanent link, come back here and paste the URL link here. Alignment is center. You can change the color, and I'm choosing the color this one, and it's done. Okay, so our button is done, and now I am going to add one more thing here, that is this text and image. Okay, we have to move it down. Yes, right here. Okay, so right here what I'm going to do is I will add the image, but I will select the image from here. Consultation images. Okay, so from here we can select, okay, which one looks good. Let's choose this one for now, and hope so it is in PNG or JPG. JPG. Okay, let's choose this one. Okay, finally. Okay, now let's move back and click on it, and then edit image from here, upload from media library, then we have to upload image from here. Select the image, open, and then you can edit that image here as well, like I'm doing. Click on edit, and I will choose only this part. Okay, first of all we need to apply the crop, and then hit on save and images and save. Okay, and now I'm going to select that image from the GHL library. Click it, insert media, and you can see that this media has been done. And now you can change the text here as well. This is the button already given, and you can add your website link here. Okay, so let me show you how you can add uh, visit website. Okay, and change its color like this, and link should be the www dot currently I'm adding auxth.com. Okay, and at the end now we need to add the footer, but in the footer you can also add social media links. Okay, but I think social media links will be at the end. First of all, we need to add the footer, which is right here. Okay, we need to extend it. Okay, first of all, delete it from here, and then you can use divider, but I don't know why it is doing things like this. And what if I add section? Okay, move it right below, right clicks this, and then we can add footer like this. Okay, good to go. So our email address is will get appear here like Auxth at gmail.com, auxdg.ai. Yes, and visit website link already get appears here. And furthermore, what I can do here is that click on add social media links like this. Okay, and you can set these links as well. So first of all, I need to change the color of this, and background color should be this. Okay, yeah, it looks good. Better than nothing. Better than having nothing. Okay, so everything has been done. So now we can change the backend link. So for that you have to simply click on Facebook, and then here is the URL for the Facebook. Then you can move back, then you can move to the Instagram. You can change the URL, you can even change the here logo as well. You can say the logo has been changed now, and I think these logos looks even more better. And after that you will simply click on save button, and this template has been saved. So first of all, we need to change this as well, name, so that we can call or use this template later in our automation, and I will show you that how you can use them. And here let me add the name. Names can be test by Abu Bakr, and click on save template. So our template has been done, and now what we are going to do is we will move inside automations. And inside automation I will show you that how you can select this template. Here let's create a new workflow, and I will directly show you the email action. Okay, simply click on this plus button, select email. Yeah, send email. I will simply select it, and furthermore you can adjust the subject, and below instead of writing the email right here, you can simply choose the create email from smart builder, or select existing template. After that you have to search here the template you created, like this one, test by Abubakar, and I will simply select it and this will get appear, right? So furthermore, I don't need to write a new email, and this like this template will get selected and this template will get sent to the customers. For example, test emails for now should be let's save action and let me send this to that email. Okay, 231 pk and test send email. Okay, subject has not been written. Let's add the subject randomly from Auxth Digital Media from auxth@gmail.com, and now let's click on send button and let's see whether it will appear to that email or not, and let's see that how actually it looks like. Okay, so it may appear in draft, so we will look at there as well. Let's view spam whether it appears there or not. Yes, here you can see. Okay, so here you can see that images are not getting appear because it is in spam, and if I remove it from spam, the images and the logos will get appear, and here the logos are again not appearing because it is in spam. But if you send this or if you share this inside inboxes, then you will get appear, and these all buttons are in working condition. As you know that I am clicking on the calendar button, the calendar is getting opening, and if I click on website button, the website is getting opening. So this is all from my side for email templates, and I hope you like it. And if you have any type of question, do comment in the comment box, and we'll see you in our next video. Till that, thank you, bye bye.